Welcome all. MW Will Killer, Game Trading Crypto, take 2. Let's see if it's gonna work now or it's not gonna work. I really have no clue. So please give me the thumbs up if you can hear me, if it's blocking, not blocking. Please let me know, guys. Let me know while I'm starting up everything. Let's see. Can you hear me? I'm not seeing any thumbs up, guys. Give me those thumbs up. Can you see the screen? That's strange. I'm not seeing the screen on my own phone. Let's see. If you can hear me, thumbs up, please. If you can see the screen. What's going on today? What's going on? What's going on? Yes, you can see me, hear me. Yes, you can see me, hear me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, well, it's not showing on my phone. That's very strange. On my phone, I'm not seeing anything. Okay, everyone can see me, hear me. Okay, well, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of music, and then we're gonna start directly, not waste any time. Oh, now I can see. Okay, no music. Let me a little bit of music. Let me tweet that we're alive, and then let me know in the chat if it's blocking or freezing, by the way. Okay, let me know now if you can hear me so I can start the stream, guys. One thumb. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, well, we lost a lot of viewers, but you know, it is what it is. I was going to show you guys something great today, but well, they're trying. Let me just say that they are trying. Okay, guys, let me first of all, let me just start with this thing. Guys, you know what I do? I'm always on the charts, always on trading, etc. But what I also like to do, I also like to break the system. While I try to break the system, what I do is I try to hunt down what whales are doing, because you can care about whatever X influencer is saying. Well, fine. I like to not waste my time on the crap that they're selling. I like to focus on what the whales are doing, because why? The whales are the ones that are moving the markets up or down. So those are the only ones that I focus on. So I really don't give a crap what whoever says. The only thing that I'm interested in is what they're shilling. But I've got a work group, the team also, they give me some updates if whoever is saying whatever. But you know, well, fine. I'm not gonna. By the way, I received a DM from a retail fan member, and he said the same, like there was someone from the marketing machine that contacted me. He told me, I've been following you for like 3 years now, and if you give me the chance, I can make you the greatest influencer on CT. You just do what you do like you're always doing. Let us do our job, and you'll see that you will get 1 million followers, or maybe even more. Just you keep doing what you're doing, and we let us do our job. And then I told him, okay, well, what's the anger? Well, then there were some terms, and it's those terms that I didn't agree on. So that's the problem, and it's exactly like that retail fan member also said. MW, you're doing better than any freaking one of them. Why are you giving them attention? The reason why I give them attention is because I care about my retailers, and my retailers are over there getting wrecked. So I need to focus. I need to say something about it, that retailers wake up and get out of there. But you know, at some point, you guys are also right. Maybe I shouldn't give them that attention. You know, there's nothing out there that they do better than I do. So why would I give them attention? And now I want to swear, but I will not do it. I will not swear, guys. So guys, let's go into the alpha. Forget about all that crap out there. We focus on how we're gonna make money. So what I wanted to show you guys, I've talked about it, so I'm gonna repeat myself for the ones that did catch it. The Bitfinex longs. The Bitfinex longs over here they are. These are the Bitfinex longs. Well, these Bitfinex longs, when you see they started opening longs over here. The past, this was in June, by the way, guys. They started opening longs, and a lot of retailers, you know, then you get those, you know, the problem is I need to talk about them every time. Those shillers, the problem is they start, for example, saying, well, the wheels on Bitfinex are very bullish, and they started opening longs. And well, retailer, what he does is, wait a minute, if the Bitfinex wheels are opening longs, we should be opening longs also. Well, let me tell you, this was 16th of June. This was the 16th of June. You would be totally wrecked. It doesn't feel like that. But if I would zoom in, you'll see this is a pretty big dump. So from, what is it? From 67K to 53K. So when you see these guys start opening up longs, don't think that Bitcoin will go up. Please don't think there is another system. There is another. You have to read this the other way. I already explained this in a vid in the previous time, but today I'm going deep, guys. I'm going deep, and I'm gonna explain you guys what I'm eyeing, what I'm seeing, and this is very interesting, by the way, to see, guys. So what they did is over here is when they started opening up, building up longs. But in the meanwhile, Bitcoin was dumping hard. This is a big dump. This is a dump of, what was this? This was a dump, if you want to measure it. This was a dump of 20%. So if you're going to put on a line over here, and you're going to put on a line over here, this was a dump of 20%. So while they're building up their longs, the Bitcoin price dropped 20%. But what you have to know is these guys that started opening up longs over here, these are the ones that are in losses. Because the ones that have been opening, you have to see it like this. So these are the guys that started opening up longs from the 67K level. So this is where they started opening up longs. So these guys were in losses. But what you have to see is this: the ones that have been opening up longs over here, these guys are. I will explain in a moment. I'm going a bit too fast. Let me explain. Let me explain it easily. When you see these guys opening up longs, it does not mean that Bitcoin goes up. But let's just see if history rhymes. And why do I say this? Wheels are autistic. They keep doing the same thing often. Not always, but often they do the same thing. So this is my analyze, what I'm eyeing now. So while they were longing over here at 9th of July, so the last week, this is a month. So the last week of the month, what did they do? Over here, they started ramping up the price. Are you seeing this? They started ramping up the price exactly where they started opening their longs. So over here, this was in a matter of a week, they came back to where they started opening up their longs. So over here in this block, just in this block, in this last week, these guys made a lot of money. These guys also made a lot of money. These guys also made a lot of money. But these guys were wrecked over here. So why am I showing you this? Now, what am I seeing? I'm seeing the same thing happen. So the wheels, what they were doing over here, they started doing it over here again. So this is when I'll start focusing. Okay, wait a minute, Mr. Will. You started opening up the longs over here, just like you did over here. So over here, they started up opening longs, and you see, why do you see these candles are all the same on the daily basis? Why they're accumulating. And on Bitfinex, I know that you guys don't know this maybe, but on Bitfinex, those wheels, I see it a lot because I check some data. When they open up longs, they go long 100%. So meaning that whole exchange goes long at the same time. It's very strange. It's very strange. It's very sick also. It's not healthy. But you know, it's not about me to judge them what they are doing. They should do whatever they want they do. The only thing that I'm doing is I'm analyzing them. I'm checking them. And that's why my name is MW-Killer. So over here, are we going to get the same like here? And what does it mean? It means that if history would repeat, so what they did in June, they're going to do the same in September. It means that until the 20th of September, Bitcoin will probably dump more. So it means that Bitcoin, we're now over here. This is the line. You seeing this? So this is the line. This is the line. So when we reach the 19th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th of September, that's when probably Bitcoin starts ramping up. And in the meantime, it doesn't mean it could even hit our blue box on the other chart. We don't know how low this could go. It doesn't matter. It could go to 40K, to 45, 50K. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter in this moment. What matters is this block over here. When we're going to get into this block, is this the moment that they will do the same just like they did over here? Because they took like 20 days to the price to get it over here, and then in a matter of a week they solved it. They just boom up and gains. So is the same going to happen? Because why? I'm seeing again, these guys are autistic. Are they going to do the same trick that they did over here? Are they going to do the same over here? So that's what I'm eyeing, and I hope that you guys understand what I just showed you. So this is, yes, I know I'm sick. I'm a sick freak. I'm always eyeing some things that nobody is checking, nobody is eyeing. You know, I'm always, and this is just an example. By the way, guys, this doesn't mean that you should all go all in short and just short the crap out of it until the 20th of 17th, 18th of September, and then you flip long. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. Why? Because I trade based on what I see, and you know, it's not this. This is just on a macro. I'm showing you guys something, and maybe if it works out, you'll say, well, MW, you are an Einstein, and nobody, we can't even imagine someone that has been predicting this. But let me just say this. This is just a theory, so don't go, this is not the style how you trade or how whatever you do. So please guys, easy on this. It's just a theory that I showed you guys. And me personally, I only act on what I see every day, step by step. So this, I just liked to open up this macro things and to find how can I crack the code into the system. How can I crack that damn code? And you know, if it works out fine, and if it works out, by the way, guys, if this thing is gonna work out exactly just like I'm explaining now, nothing will happen. Because why? I've done a lot of things like this in the past. The marketing machine makes sure that only you guys will hear about it and know about it. The rest of the world will not hear about this. So this is at this moment something very interesting that I was eyeing, and I wanted to share this with you guys. And you know, you can burn me if it doesn't work out at all. And I'm not saying, by the way, that it's gonna work out. It's not. This is not something that I'm. Let's just say that I'm like, okay, I'm really bearish, and you know, when I'm bearish, that's like in my live stream. It is based on other things. When I'm bearish or I'm bullish, but you know, I like this thing to share it with you guys. Also, by the way, what you have to check out is this one. This one never, ever, ever, ever let me down. This one, if we come into these regions over here, these are the shorts, this thing never lets me down. The moment we get into the box is when you can expect a lot of downside. I've shared this a lot of times. Okay, that was my cigarette. Okay, so now when I put on my cigarette, I see the charts better, guys. I just see these charts better. I don't know why. So And shorts, we are not at bottom formation. So this thing doesn't come aligned with what I just showed you. It's not connected. Because the connection between this and the short, it's not connected. Because normally, if we would see that, we should have been at a lower price. We hit low, we bounced today. Was it today that we? Yes. Oh, it's happening now. It's happening now. It's happening. We were at the lows. You see, it's happening now. The shorts are opening up on the 1 hour time frame. So it is a bit in line. But you know, guys, if this theory works out, it's massive. It's really massive. Because this is, look over here, they were flat. Nothing was going on. They took some profits, the ones that were in gains over here. But if this is something that I've been seeing. Okay, well, enough about this. Okay, let me show you guys something else. We are in the middle, guys. So either way, what the markets will decide to do, just keep in mind we're in the middle. So we have been holding. You see these things all holding this line. And then we came up, we came down, and up we go. Remember what I told you. If you will hit this one, deploy. No financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm telling you what I will be doing. Deploy. That's what I'll be doing. So, I know I'm sick. I know I'm a sick freak. I know. But, guys, this could ramp up. Buying opportunity. So, let me show you guys our packs. Also, guys, you see it's ramping up. Oh my God, based on these charts, I think that the team's P&Ls are exploding by now. I think that, what is it? What's going on? What's Bitcoin doing? Let me see. Let me see what Bitcoin is doing on the low time frames. So what are you doing, my brother? What are you? Oh, we had a small dump down and we found some support over here. What did we hit? We hit 56.3. My God. Let me put an alarm over here. I think that the shorts from the team are exploding. I think that they took some profits on this dump, to be honest. But let me get back. Let me get back to what I was explaining. Guys, I tweeted about this yesterday. Guys, I wanted to listen what I'm going to say. The biggest wheels, you remember when I always tell you that Wall Street rules the Bitcoin price. They do. They just do. And Coinbase is where the super wheels are. So if Coinbase starts dumping down, because Coinbase went like bananas, they did even better than Bitcoin. So if this is a beautiful double, by the way, guys. So this one here, so this is bullish. For the ones that don't understand it, this is bullish. Because if those super wheels start ramping up Coinbase from here, Bitcoin will probably also pump. Or maybe hold, don't dump, but this. And this line over here is crucial, guys. If we're going to lose this, if this is going to be lost, this is the next level and this will create a lot of blood. And let me tell you, you'll think, oh, MW, what are you saying? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Whatever. If this thing dumps down, helmets. That's all I have to say. And those shorts from the team and the free private group members will explode. Let me just tell you that. So this thing, this zone over here, guys, this is such an... Listen, guys, this support zone, there's a lot of support over here on Coinbase. If they're gonna look over here when we dumped down, you see how strong, look at this candle, how they bounced it up. These are the super wheels, guys. They're defending the Bitcoin price over here. They're defending it. Oh, no. Up again, up. So now we're down again. This is a bullish. TA-wise, this is bullish. TA-wise, this is bullish. And this is why, guys, I keep telling you, you know, my macro is my macro, and I think that Bitcoin will come down. That's just how I think it will happen. Bitcoin will come down. That's just how I see it, and I'm prepared for it. But I'm no fool. I'm no fool. I trade the charts 5 minutes by 5 minutes, day by day, hour by hour, 4 hour by 4 hour. I don't care. Why? Because I'm focused on how to make money today. And tomorrow, I'll see about tomorrow. Today, it's about today. I have to lock in some gains. Also want to talk about something else. There was one of the free private group members. This is a trading strategy, guys. So listen to me very good. Yesterday, someone, I think he was struggling a bit with trades. He went in, out, and every time, my God, it's like they are watching me. Every time when I go into short, it goes up. Every time when I go in a long, it goes down. I'm getting crazy. And then you'll hear something like, you heard that desk going up, and whatever, start swearing and do whatever. He's getting on tilt, like they say in trading words, tilt. You're getting on tilt. Guys, trust me, believe me, when you feel like that and you think that the whole world is against you when you're trading, and I know that a lot of people have the same, what you do is very simple. Close that damn computer or close that damn app on your phone. Go find your girlfriend or find your wife or whatever you want to do out there. Go have a nice time. If you want to drink beer, go drink beer. If you want to drink a whiskey, drink whiskey. If you want to smoke a joint, go smoke a joint. Whatever it is, get away from that computer and close it all down. Because why? You are emotional. You're not seeing the bigger picture, and you will make very big mistakes. Because why? When you're leverage trading, they only need you to be on tilt for like 15 minutes and they will destroy you. They will totally destroy you. So if you feel emotions, you feel anger, and you get that feeling of the whole world is against me, just close it down and go do whatever it is that you want to do. Just get your mind empty. And when you're calm and you go sit down again, and then you watch the charts, and then step by step, you put on that damn indicator and you start going in again. So please do not trade when you're emotional, and especially if you're on tilt. Okay, so that was about it for my thing. So we gotta do some altcoins, some trade setups, maybe something that I'm eyeing, not eyeing. So I'm gonna give you guys a chance to share your altcoins and maybe some questions. So you got like 10 seconds. And in the meanwhile, push that like. It doesn't cost you anything. Nothing. Push that like. Okay, there we are again. I wanted to show you guys something else, by the way. I want to show you guys something else. Where's my blue list? I want to show you guys this one. Dominance. We're struggling a bit here, guys. This is really a zone, guys. Let me just say this: if this thing ramps up, oh my God, there will be so much altcoin blood. So let me put on my alarm. Keep an eye on this zone over here, guys. If this thing will come down, altcoins will have some life and will not dump as hard if Bitcoin dumps. If this thing goes up, guys, this is, you have to be really scared at this chart, guys. But it's, oh, we closed below the Indy. So we're getting some air on the altcoins over here, but keep this in mind, guys. This zone over here, we're just ramping up over here. Altcoins are getting murdered over here. So keep this in mind. Dominance. I'm really eyeing dominance like a hawk at this thing. If this thing ramps up again, it will bleed, it will bleed, it will bleed, it will bleed. So that's about dominance, guys. I want to show you guys dominance. Okay, let's see. Where are my altcoins? Can you show us the best way to utilize the indicator? I really have no clue what you're meaning. The indicator, I sent you how to add it. So I don't know what you mean by utilize. Thank you for these videos. Keep doing them. Keep sharing such things. Yes, it's crazy. Phil and CRV. CRV, why are you all so interested in CRV? CRV is the same like... CRV is the same like Aave. It's also something DeFi, lending, spending, whatever related, and they're gaining some momentum, these coins. I told you guys about this yesterday. See, it's the same. You see this? They're gaining some momentum, these coins. I don't know why, but CRV is totally wrecked, by the way, guys. I don't know if you know, but look, we made a new low. So CRV, guys, let me, one moment, please. Let me check the CRV, by the way, CRV, if this lending crap DeFi is going to find some momentum again, CRV is one of the big guys over there. So, no, CRV, this is such an old altcoin and it still has got a lot of sellers out there. 630 million, I'm not interested in buying this. I'm not interested in buying this. ZRX, oh my god, DV, ZRX, that's also a very old coin. It was zero something, zero chain, or I don't know what it is. ZRX, oh my god, this thing. I made so much money trading this thing in the past. ZRX, yes, this is the OX chain. Bro, ZRX, do these guys have something going on over there? What's going on with ZRX? Looking good, ZRX. Guys, this ZRX is also a pumpy coin. A pumpy coin, very pumpy. So if you're interested, I might also be interested in this ZRX. I might also be interested. So this is the zone over here. This is the zone, so everything below 20 cents. 20 cents until 10 cents. This is ZRX. Yes, why not? Why not? Why not? If it gets into this accumulation zone, why not? ZRX is... do some research on the fundamental, guys. But ZRX, you know why I like... Look at this pump. This was just, what was it? 2 months ago, 3 months ago? Look at this, guys. ZRX just made, if you would bought it in the accumulation zone... a 14x, 14x. If you bought it in the accumulation zone over here. I didn't buy this, by the way. I forgot about this coin. I haven't been charting it for a while. But, you know, this thing, you see, we broke above the Indy. Look at this. We held. Boom. It's really mind-blowing. When you lose it, that's when you know it's boom. It's down. It's really madness. So... yes, I'm interested in ZRX. Yes, definitely, bro. So if ZRX comes down below the 20 cents, I'll be accumulating together with these freaks over here. I'll be accumulating some ZRX. Looking good. Thanks for sharing. Sipu. You know, this Sipu, there is something with this Sipu going on. I saw it somewhere. And it's good that you talked about it. Sipu, I've been charting it also, I think. Yes, over here. I've been charting this one lately. Why? Something Sipu. What is it with it? There is something with this Sipu. You know, when you see me knowing a coin and thinking to myself, there is something with this coin, know that there is a reason for that, why it's on my radar. Sipu is on my radar. Let me check. There is something going on with this Sipu. Very good one also. I told you, you guys help me a lot. You guys help me so I can help you. This thing has got a market cap of 68 million, 114, 114 fully diluted. But this thing, this is a low market cap, guys. This is good. This is good. What is it? Crypto is the satellite credit marketplace that offers lending, also lending and borrowing. I told you guys, all these lending and borrowing coins are, there is something going on. These lending and borrowing coins, what's going on? Why? Maybe is this just a pump so they can dump the crap out of us? it's you know, that happens a lot. But you know, I don't know. There is something going on with these lending, spending coins. But it's the same over here, guys. Let me make this blue, by the way. It's the same over here, guys. If this thing comes back, let me make this one a 2-line. Yes. So if this thing comes back into this zone, it's a very cheap one, guys. So do some research on this C-pool thing. If there is some life in it, because you can see over here also, if you bought it in the accumulation zone, in what was this? This was in November 23. This thing did a 10x. So if it comes back, this, if the project is solid, it's an easy 5x. So when you're telling me to buy TON or to buy Kaspa, to make a 5x, the project needs to get like 10 billion. This thing, to make a 10x, only needs 500 million. I'm just saying. Let's see. Pumps crazy and dumps crazy. All the coins pump and dump crazy. It's just what it is. Just follow me. I will show you when the dumps happen. What about Open? Seems to have some potential. Open. What is Open? I really have no clue what Open is. Opens. Open. Let's see what Open is. Open. We're gonna do Open, then I'm gonna close it up, guys, because I've got some other things to do. Open. Let's see what's Open. What the crap is? Oh my God, I really don't know what's going on in this world. This crap. It's pumping. Oh, that's why you'd ask me, because it's pumping. Okay. What? Open Custody Protocol, formerly known as... Oh, this is Qredo network. I know Qredo. So this is the new QRD coin. From Qredo is connecting. Guys, you know, I'm gonna say it. Am I gonna say it? Wait a minute. I'm gonna light up my cigarette and then I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. I really have no clue what this Open is. Well, it's Qredo. I don't know what it is. They merged or whatever it is that they did. I don't care what they did. But you know what the market cap is of this coin? It's 4 million. 4 million. So that's why it's pumping so strong. This is 4 million on a fully diluted market cap of 8 million. So if there is one coin that I would buy, if the fundamentals are as they should, it would be a coin like this. You know why? Because you can make sick gains. And now what we're seeing, this is a sort of what it is. Is this a breakout? Are we breaking out over here? Yes, we broke out over here. So this pump that you're seeing over here is based on this breakout. This is just simple TA, just classic TA. Break, boom, boom, up. And what we're seeing now is, oh my God. Can we trade this? Can we trade this? This is looking so good, guys. This is looking so good. I'm gonna ape in. Let me see. It's on Qcoin. Let me check if is this thing available on Blofin or on Weex. Let me see. Let me check, guys. Let me check. Is this thing available? Open. No, this is not available. Now this is. Let me see on Weex if it's available. Where? I can see it over here. Where's my market over here? Market, no. Where are the markets? Markets over here. Over here, I've got it. It's on DGFinex, it's on Bitfinex, Uniswap. Okay, so it's not available on exchanges. But guys, I don't know if you do some research on this, open, if really this is something, if it's looking super great, it's super cheap, and if this protocol is legit and it's just the same as QRD was, this is the next level of resistance over here around the 80 cents. So yeah, what to say? It's risky, but you know, high risk, high rewards. But keep an eye, this is resistance, guys. So we're almost reaching resistance. So this is open, is available on Qcoin and BitGet. Okay. Well, this is resistance. So, but if you'll get a retest back at these levels, so on the Indie, if we come back, it does something like this. These are the coins for the ones that are Degen style and want to make high risk, high rewards. Open, do some research. If it is QRDO and they have solid fundamentals, this thing could make you a 10x out of nothing. This thing could make you a 10x like as if it's nothing. So keep this in mind. So because where are we now? This over here. This block over here is the next target, and the next target, this is 18 cents. So this would be a double. This would be a double. So keep this in mind. But this is a very, very low market cap, guys. I want to love you all. I want to thank you for watching. What did I want to say? Yes, free private group members. Links are below. Blofin, Weex. Don't fear markets. Don't fear. Don't be afraid. When you're afraid, you know that you're not made for this business. You're not made for investing. Just stay there. Freak out. But if you are in these markets, you want to make money, don't be afraid. Just know what you're doing. I'm here to guide you through it. I'm here to help you. I'm also sharing the bullish signs, the bearish signs, when to go long, when to go short. I share some trade setups in the free private. We keep nailing those trades every day, again and again and again. Follow me on X. That's where I share the accurate alpha. I want to thank you. I love you all. I hope that you guys learned something, and don't go ape in big shorts based on what I showed you guys in the beginning of the stream. It's just a theory. It's just a theory, guys. It's just a theory. I love you all. Thank you all. Smash that like. Have a nice one, and bye-bye.